This is Roger Jenkins, pursuing balance through adventure, and today we're on Gracioso Island in the Canary Islands, and Force, our home for the next couple months, is anchored out over there. We're hiking in some sand dune-ish area, and we're headed up to that volcano. You just gotta love it. While we're pursuing balance through adventure, climbing this volcano, giving us great views of the coast and where we're anchored, and even the town that we're on today. Came across this. It's like a big circle on the left side. What does it mean? What is this? Monument. Some type of people's